सीधा आपको लिए चलते हैं भुवनेश्वर, जहां इस वक्त कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी छात्रों के बीच हैं।
सिस्टम की मोनोपोली है, उसी प्रकार से पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम में भी मोनोपोली है। और अगर आप पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम में चुनाव लड़ना चाहते हो तो आपको किसी ना किसी की चमचागिरी करनी पड़ेगी, चाहे वो कांग्रेस पार्टी में हो, चाहे वो बीजेपी में हो, बीजेडी में हो। रियलिटी है नहीं। तो जब तक ये मोनोपोली आपने वापस नहीं ली, तब तक ना शिक्षा का सिस्टम बदलेगा, ना राजनीतिक सिस्टम बदलेगा।
After 67 years of independence of India, it is sorry to say, do you think whether the visually challenged student or persons with disability are included in social stream?
I think the answer to your question is that today in India, people who are have disabilities are not treated well, and they are not treated well, and they are not given the type of place they should be given. They are not given the type of support they should be given. They are not given the type of help they should be given. And I think this is something that one needs to focus on. I'm currently working with a group of youngsters who are disabled, and we are trying to pass a bill in Parliament so that we can assist blind people and other disabled people. But I think you're right. I think this is a failing, and not enough has been done in this area.
My question to you is how to maintain quality education, particularly in Odisha. Now, if you will see, there is no teacher in school, there is no lecturer in college, there is no assistant professor in university. Almost 90% vacancy in almost all colleges and all universities. There is statistics says. And how to maintain a quality education in Odisha? If a student not get quality education, then India will not be better.
Main problem is the level of political leadership. That is the main problem. So people like you, youngsters like you, who have dreams for Orissa, who want to see a proper Orissa, want to see schools in Orissa, you need to run this state. You need to come into politics, and you need to change these things. Because currently what is happening is that the leadership of the state is not interested in these things. The top leadership of the state is not interested in schools, is not interested in colleges, not interested in sports, is not interested in these things. I cannot do anything until I have youngsters, bright youngsters like you, who are involved in the political system. You are all passionate people. Every single person in this room wants to improve this country. And the best way for you to improve this country is through politics. That is why I need you people, you youngsters, girls especially, to come inside the political system and change these things. Because frankly, as a youngster in the political system, the level of our political system, the level of discussion that we have is not acceptable for youngsters. For the type of people you are not getting what you should get from the political system. So you have to come inside the system and change it. Nobody is going to do it for you. I can sit there and I can try and open the door and I can try and let you in. But I need you to do it with me. So that is my request. I want to thank all of you for coming here, and I want to leave you with one thing. You are the people, you are the youngsters who can change this country. Please stand up and take your responsibility. Thank you.
अभी हमारे कुछ परिवार के लोग हीराकुद डैम में बोट के हादसे में मरे हुए हैं। इसके लिए
पहुंचे कांग्रेस के उपाध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी, और यहां पर उन्होंने छात्रों के साथ संवाद स्थापित किया। आपको बता दें, यहां पर उन्होंने कुछ बातें भी कही इन छात्रों के बीच। उन्होंने कहा कि उड़ीसा में राजनीति का स्तर ठीक नहीं है, हर पार्टी में चमचागिरी हो रही है, आगे बढ़ने के लिए लोग चमचागिरी कर रहे हैं, और इन्हीं तमाम चीज़ों से आज के युवा को दूर होना है।